Do I want to go for Michael or do I want Latoya today?
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants a lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with them hundreds on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me locked up on the front seat.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. This is a Jayda Wayda stand account, okay? Miss Jayda Wayda always understands the assignment. Hair, glam, sis is gonna give it, okay? I immediately knew when Chalynn stepped on board because it went from giving just like, okay, the glam is cute, but like now sis is giving expensive, like from head to toe. Not that she wasn't before, it's just something about the way that Chalynn does Jayda's makeup that just gives her this like, it's expensive. So I wanted to show you guys how I recreate my Jayda Wayda inspired makeup. Our everyday, well not everyday, our go-to makeup looks are very similar. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, please stay tuned. All products, as always, will be listed down below in the description box, and there are affiliate links from Amazon for the products that I could find. So if you guys do click on them, I do receive a small portion for you guys' purchase. And yeah, if you guys want to help me out, help me grow, put some coins in your sis pocket, then click on them links and shop up, sis. So yeah, I love you guys. I will see you all in the next clip.
If you are over the age of 21, go ahead and grab you a bottle because we're going to play a drinking game. I'm going to need y'all to take a shot every single time I say the word OG. You're welcome.
You got me some type of way. Ain't you still feeling this way? I do not know what to say. Yeah. I don't know, I shouldn't think about it. So I'm fucking look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away.
I'm going back with an oldie but goodie. I have a Revlon video on my channel right now that's going crazy, but I did go back to Cappuccino. This is like my perfect summer shade, like when I want to look like golden brown and give the girls, you know, like true NW47. This is her. Cinnamon still looks really good on me, but I absolutely love the way that Cappuccino is looking on me right now.
You know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets, yeah. Acting all innocent peace. When I know you are thinking about it. Then you realize she's right there. And you're at home like damn, she can't.
So now that the base is on, we're going to jump into Miss Contour. This is an oldie but goodie, the Black Opal, and this is in the shade Black Walnut. I literally just take this onto my brush. And Jayda has amazing jawbone structure, so she really doesn't have to do much because the structure is already there with or without makeup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go a little bit higher than I normally do. If you look at your cheekbone, you want to, you know, do that because I want to my face. So y'all see how this cheekbone is like it's sitting up, and then over here it's just there. Y'all picking up what I'm putting down? And when it comes down to concealer, you want to pat when you're blending it out. Don't drag it, because that's what's going to make it look more seamless. Control, you don't want to spread the product where you don't want it to go, like how I just did on my chin right there. I like to take my foundation brush and merge the lines, like literally just pat and merge the lines between the concealer, the contour, and my foundation. Especially on that forehead, because I can't stand seeing people take pictures and like you can tell that like the contour and the concealer were never married together. My nose is already pretty slim. That's actually one of my favorite facial features. I like to extend my bridge and then push it into the brow. Like your brow should start at the bridge of your nose. You feel me? Do I want to go for Michael or do I want Latoya today? What I like to do, because I don't want to disturb the color, I think that the color is perfect. So y'all already know I'm using the oldie but goodie. It is my RCMA no color powder, and I'm going to use that to set the areas that need to be set. Before you set anything, you want to make sure that there are no creases, or else it will obviously set that crease. Because I'm using Coco Naughty by Fenty Beauty.
You got me some type of way. Ain't just a feeling this way. I don't know what to say. Yeah. I don't know what to think about it.
This nose contour is important. That's why I left the powder down to serve as a guideline for the nose contour, because one thing about sis, she's giving structure, okay? And then this is also gonna serve as the backdrop to that burnt orange shadow that Jayda is always wearing too. So I'm gonna mix Raisin by MAC and then Toasted Almond by Black Radiance for the blush. The reason why I like to put on blush before I do like finish up the rest of my face is because if the blush is too intense, when I use my finishing powder to dust off the excess powder, it literally just brings everything together. OG Triple OG, which is my NYX brow pencil in the shade Espresso. I don't even think that I need to show this, because if you've been here then you know, but if you knew, this is what it looks like. So Chalynn keeps Jayda's brows like really natural, but her brows already look good. Like, first of all, my sis is just gorgeous without makeup. Another thing, can we just talk about, okay, so I live for their friendship. I love the fact that, like, regardless of what it is, if it's sponsored content, it doesn't matter. Like, their whole little circle share each other's pictures and photos all the time. Like, that's friendship, because everybody around her, and I don't want to just be like, oh, it's her, the reason why, you know, everybody know these people, but she has really like elevated a lot of people. To see so many of them come out with like brand deals and all kind of other stuff, like, to me that shit is dope. Like, that's how it should be when you at the top and you eating and you young and you getting it and you got friends around you. Like, I'm not saying that you have to do this, but it's just better when you can win with your friends. You get what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to be the only person that's getting money, because then that's gonna be the reason why everybody's hands is out. So if you have the opportunity to bring your friends, your family, whoever, anybody that's like serious about their shit up with you, then it's like, why not do it? And I think that their friend circle is a perfect example of that. I was about to say a prime example, but they are a prime example. They're a perfect example of that. Jayda typically gets like this brownish oranges look. It's this color and that color together to kind of get that brown. I like to blend from the inner corner out. I'm gonna use my LA Girl eyeliner in brown. Now that the eyes are done, my loves, I am going to use my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Deep Ebony. Really want to make sure you concentrate so there's like no line of demarcation. For the center of my face, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan. Our good sis loves a good lash, so for the lashes today, I'm going to be using these Remy lashes that you guys saw featured in my lash video. Go ahead and take care of these lashes. This is my, y'all already know what it is, my Lancome Moisture Big. Correct me if I'm saying it wrong, break it down, somebody in the comments.
You got me some type of way. Ain't you still feeling this way? I do not know what to say. Yeah. I don't know I should think about it. So one fucking look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste.
I am going to use some brow gel. Y'all already know this is the Maybelline joint, the Brow Drama. I'm sorry, this product is actually discontinued, but it is a bronzer. Ooh, I'm holding up to the light. This is a bronzer from Icing, and this kind of gives me that glow without doing too much. I'm gonna use my Sephora lip gloss in the shade Baby Doll. It's hella pink, super close to what Jayda typically uses anyway. I'm just going to use my Mocha Mommy bronzer and warm up my face just a little bit more to kind of match the eyes, because her looks are always super monochromatic. So I could give the cheeks just a little bit more. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my final look of my Jayda Cheaves inspired makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this nearly as much as I enjoyed creating it. I absolutely adore Jayda. Her makeup is always on point. I'm sure y'all already follow her, so what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link her Instagram and stuff down below, but she does have YouTube, so I'll put her YouTube links down below, as well as her makeup artist, if you guys want to see some of the looks that I've been inspired by from Chaylnn as well. And if you guys have any questions, if there's any other celebrities or IG models or baddies that y'all would want to see me recreate their looks, definitely leave your suggestions down below in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.